Hi guys, something bad is happening to me. It's the trailer of me, Sonic Boom Tails, making a very bad. Like Sonic's here, Pizza House. Don't know what I'm going through. God, help me guys, I don't want to work here. He said I'll sell you to Sonic Hedgehog soon. I want that, so help me. This is something bad happening. I know what's happening. And yeah. God help me.